So the argument is just about done and dusted. Shelly and Fraser-Pryce is the greatest female sprinter to date. We're not saying all time, because all time would mean in the future. And we don't know what will happen in the future. But Shelly is the greatest female sprinter to date. I think it is Elaine who needed to win a world championship title or two to extend this debate. Yes, Elaine has her double-double Olympic titles and her faster times, but she needs some world titles to keep the debate alive. When you look at Shelly's body of work, now 5 world championship 100 meters titles, 2 Olympic titles, we're not even counting the minor medals, just the golden. Shelly is the second fastest woman alive, third fastest woman ever, heading for a decade and a half at the top of the sprint game. Argument done. Today, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce is the greatest female sprinter to have ever run a race. We love Elaine same way. We love Sharika, Merlene, VCB, all of the icon them. But class is class, and the argument done. Yes, the argument done. No more argument no left. The argument done. See, the argument done. See that the argument done. No more argument no left. We must not compare Shelly with Bull. That the argument done.